Good morning, class. So today, before we begin our lesson, we are going to do a fun activity where you're going to look around the classroom for hidden pictures. These pictures are on pieces of cardboard, so just look around. Maybe it's under your desk or by the library corner. Okay, so now when you find the picture, I want you to look at it and give each picture specific names. So let's see the pictures now. Okay, the first picture we have here is a, can anyone name this thing in the picture? Yes, it's a book. Yes, but everyone know it's a book, but we want to give it a specific name. So what name can we give to this book? Yes, Jason is saying that it can be the Bible. Yes, or the Quran. Correct. So let's see the next picture we have here. Yes, in this picture there is a rice farmer. So can anyone give this farmer a name? Benji. Yes, that is correct. You can name the farmer Benji. Farmer Benji. So the next picture we have here is a, yes, it's a teacher. Can anyone give this teacher a name? Sir Gregory. Correct. Casey is saying we can name him Sir Gregory. Moving on. Yes, Maggie is saying this is a church. Can anyone give this church a name? Yes, it can be St. Anglican Church. Correct. Then we have here a picture of a, yes, it's a airplane. Can anyone name this airplane? Yes, it can be named Fly Jamaica. Correct. Okay. So now before we move on, we are going to just look at a video. But before we look at the video, yes, before we look at the video, can anyone guess what will be the topic we will be looking at today? Yeah, you name specific, you name things, you give name to these images. So can anyone guess our topic today? Yes, our topic is noun. Correct, Jason? What type of noun? Yes, Maggie is saying she thinks it's proper noun because we give name to the picture. We didn't just name the airplane. Say it's an airplane, but we give it a name, a specific name. Yes, so you are correct. Today we will be looking at proper nouns. So just turn your attention to this video.
Hi there! In this video, we're going to learn all about proper nouns. Are you ready? A proper noun gives a special name to a common noun. Proper noun, common noun. They're both nouns, so how are they different? First of all, do you remember what a common noun is? If you've watched my common noun video, you'll remember that it's a person, place, animal, or thing. I'll provide the link for you in the description below if you want to watch it again. A boy is a common noun because a boy is a person. But wait, let's give him a special name. What's his name? It's Brian. Brian is a proper noun because it's the special name of the boy. A boy is a common noun and Brian is a proper noun. We're not done yet though. Look at his name again, Brian. Something needs to be changed, but what is it? When you give someone or something a special name, you must capitalize the first letter. So let's fix that. A capital B for Brian. Let's think of a place common noun. How about a country? Great. Now let's come up with a proper noun. Remember, a proper noun gives a special name to the common noun. How about South Korea? That's the name of a country. A country is a common noun because it's a place, and South Korea is a proper noun because it's a special name of that country. Now, South Korea is a proper noun, so don't forget to capitalize the first letter of each word. Capital S and capital K. South Korea. Remember, every first letter of each word in the proper noun must be capitalized. Let's come up with an animal common noun. Do you have a pet? What kind of animal is it? Let's say a cat. Now we need a proper noun for the cat. What's the special name given to this cat? It's Tara. But wait, look at Tara. What's wrong? Don't forget to capitalize the first letter, T, because Tara is a proper noun. Tara is a proper noun because it's a special name given to the cat. Which common noun are we missing? We've covered person, place, animal. Oh yes, a thing. Let's come up with a thing common noun. How about a movie? Now we need a proper noun for a movie. Which movie should we choose? Harry Potter. I do love all things magic. So a movie is a common noun because it's a thing. Harry Potter is a proper noun because it's the name of a movie. And don't forget to capitalize the first letter of each word in that proper noun. Can you tell if this word is a common noun or proper noun? Ayana. Ayana is a special name of a girl, so it's a proper noun. How about a park? A park is a place, so it's a common noun. Good job. But look, if we just give it a special name, say Richmond Park, it's now a proper noun. And because it's a proper noun, we should capitalize the first letter of each word. I hope you now understand the difference between a...
Okay, so yes, it was a fun video to look at. So what did you learn from the video? Yes, Casey says she learned that special name can be given to proper noun. So if we use a common noun example for bed, we have to give it a special name in order to make it a proper noun. Yeah, anyone else learn anything new? Yes, so Jason is saying that he learned that we always capitalize the proper noun. So now we will just look at a cone, aid, and with this aid I want you to give me special names of this cone, the ice cream on the cone. So let's see. So here we have the cone aid. Okay, so my proper cone aid, that's the name given to the aid. So now we have, just like in the video, we have person, we have place, and we have animal, then we have things. So for person, can anyone identify this picture? Yes, this is a picture of a policeman. Then here we have a picture of what? Yes, a firefighter. Yes, we have a picture of a boy, and here we have a picture of a teacher. So for these here, the first cone shows us the name or some example of persons. So can anyone just give any of these picture a name, a specific name or a special name? Jason is saying that we can give the teacher a name, Miss Kim. Yes, correct. So moving on, we have place. Let's look at these places. So we have here a, yes, a church. Yeah, a school, a post office, and we have a house. So can anyone give any of these pictures special name? Yes. So we have Maggie saying that the school can be named Fort Island Primary School. Correct. So let's move on to animals. We have here, class, what is this? Yes, an owl. Yes, a monkey. Yes, a duck. And lastly, we have here a, yes, a cow, a fat cow. So now can anyone give any of these animal name? Yes, so we have Kianu saying the dog can be named Donald. Donald Duck, like in the cartoon, correct. And we have Felicia saying that the monkey can be named Georgie. Yes, correct. So lastly, we have thing. Yes, class, what is this thing? It's a burger, correct. This, yes, this is a desk. And we have here a rainbow. And lastly, we have here a bag. So can anyone give any of these things special name? Yes. So we have Kenisha saying the burger can be a chicken burger. Yes, or a vegetable burger. Yes. Or a Kardashian burger. Correct. So we have here a specific name. So now, class, can anyone identify or tell me how we are going to identify a proper noun? Yes. So, yeah, we have Kevin saying that we can identify a proper noun by the capital letter that is used. Yes. What more? Yes, it can be a name of a country, a name of a place, a name of a thing, or a name given to an animal. Correct. So just let us look at some. Let us first look at proper noun. We have here, what are proper nouns? A proper noun is a specific name for a particular person, place, or thing. And we have here some examples. So let's read the first example, class. I should see Dr. Morgan for these persistent headaches. Yes, and as we can see there, class, Dr. Morgan is the proper noun and it is a name of a doctor. So number 2 we have here. Let's read it together. I ordered the laptop from Amazon. Yes, and the proper noun used there is Amazon. And we can see that it's where the laptop was ordered and it's the name of the place. So number 3 we have, let's read it together. We're going to play basketball in Prospect Park. Class, can anyone identify the proper noun? Yes. The proper noun is Prospect Park. That's the name of the place where the person or where the people are going to play basketball. Number 4 we have, Fort Island is one of my favorite places to visit. Yes, Fort Island is the proper noun and we have there it's the name of a place. Also, we can see that each of these proper nouns are capitalized. Yes. Okay, class. Now we are going to sing a song based on proper nouns. So let's clap proper hands and sing this song. I am a proper noun. I have a name. Those other nouns just aren't the same. I even have a capital. This noun is on the roll. Just watch me go. Common nouns are cool, but they're not special. That exact person, place, or things you have found is another proper noun. Yes, so that is our proper noun song. So now you are going to go into groups of 4, and we have a worksheet here. Each of the group will have to complete. So the first group to complete the worksheet will be given a prize at the end of the class. So yes, we have the worksheet here. Okay. So this is the worksheet. So on the worksheet we have determine which is the proper noun and rewrite it using correct punctuation. So we have here, remember, a common noun is a general person, place, or thing. And we have here a proper noun is a specific person, place, or thing. Proper nouns are always capitalized. Yes, so we have the first two there, we have it, the example. So we have superhero or Superman. Which one is a proper noun? Yes, Superman is a proper noun. So we have building there and Eiffel Tower. Yes, so we have Eiffel Tower is the proper noun. So we have the rest, and each groups are going to correct it or place the correct answer. Okay, so we have a competition here because group 1 and group 3 brought in their worksheet at the same time. Yes, so all the group would have finished. So I will just let each group, I will read from group 1 2 examples, or rather one example of the answer that they given. So we have here state or Hawaii. Which one is the proper noun? We have here group 1 saying Hawaii is the proper noun because it is a name given to a place. So the second one we have here city or Philadelphia. Yes, group 2 place Philadelphia is the proper noun, and that is correct because Philadelphia is the name of a place. So we have group 3 with, we have river or Nile. River or Nile. Yes, so Nile is the proper noun used there. So group 4, we have day or Saturday. Which one is the proper noun? So group 4 place Saturday as the proper noun because Saturday is a specific name given to a day in the week. So now, since you've completed the worksheet, each of you will then go and create 5 sentences using the proper noun. So it can be 2 with the name of a place, any order, but it must be person, place, animal, or thing. Okay, so each person, I think, yes, each person have finished created their 5 sentences. So I just need some volunteer to read their sentences. Yes, the first person we have is Maggie. She's saying that my name is Maggie Smith. Correct? Yes, Maggie, that is correct because it's a name given to her and she is a person, or rather a girl. Anyone else? Yes, we have Donald saying that my pet name is Bimbo. Yes, that is correct. It is a name of his pet, which I'm suggesting it's a dog. The name given to his dog is Bimbo, or his pet. And that's the animal. And lastly, we have Jason saying that I love to eat snow mint. Correct. His proper noun used there is snow mint, and it is a name given to a thing, to a sweetie. Correct. So now, class, that would have bring us to the end of our lesson. But before we go, we have a fun game to play. Just so I will just collect your book tomorrow, and let's go and play this proper noun board game. Okay, so here we have the game. So with this game, we have to roll the dice in order to move. And whichever one we land on, we have to give that a specific name or a special name. So let's begin. Jason's rolling the dice. 4. So you move 4 times from the start. 1, 2, 3, 4. So you have to name a toy. Yes. Jason is saying that. Yes, Jason is saying that the name of the toy, it can be a Barbie doll. Yes, correct. So let's see. We have Keanu giving it a try. So you move 2 times. 1, 2. Holiday. A name, special name given to a holiday. Yes, Christmas. Keanu is saying Christmas, and that is his favorite holiday. Yes, so that brings us to the end of our lesson today. So class, that brings us to the end of our lesson. But before we go, just remember that proper nouns are special name given to a person, a place, an animal, or a thing, and it is always capitalized. Always have to use a capital letter when writing a common noun. So enjoy the rest of your day, and that's